Kitchen, and welcome back to my videos. Of course, it's Christmas Eve. I'm getting ready for a family brunch. It's new tradition I just started. So I'm making bacon, eggs, sausage. I'll just show y'all. I got the big jug of water, you know. Big jug of log cabin. Got these, what's these called? Tangerines, oranges. They're tangerines. Got this bacon ready to go in the oven. You know, simple stuff. Instead of cooking it in the skillet, just cook it in the oven about 15 minutes. Got eggs right here. 1, 2, 3. Plus I got more in the refrigerator. Got sausage patties, Bob Evans. Got my warmer right here ready to go. Next to my microwave. I got biscuits right here. I got Thomas's egg muffins. English muffins. I said egg. Well, you can put egg in it. English muffins. I got my griddle here ready to go. That's ready to go. Got my Pam here for my waffle iron. Look at that. Got more oranges right there, or tangerines. Them things are sweet too. Egg. Bacon. Knife. Got my jelly here for the biscuits. Simply orange juice right there. Of course, this little, what's this thing called?
Brush.
Yeah, brush. You brush the butter on your muffins or whatever bread you're gonna eat. Got 2 kinds of orange juice. Fago, how that get in there? Of course, I got this set up. Y'all saw log cabin over there. Got Mrs. Buttersworth right there. I got a setup right there. Got my little fridge packed with more juices and stuff to drink. Everything's all festive. Let's head into the other room. Let's go into the dining room, see what we got in there. Got my dining room all decked out, ready to go. Pearl Milling Company. That's Aunt Jemima, y'all. Y'all know that, right? Y'all know that's Aunt Jemima. Pearl Milling. I don't know why they changed their name. Just leave it alone. Pretty good little setup. Hoping to have a house full of family. This is nice. Y'all stay tuned for the next video when I show y'all the results of this massive, appealing brunch from Easy Kitchen. Till next time, maybe tomorrow. Peace out.